With the amount of craft products launched daily, there really isn't a limit to your creativity. Best of it is, I get to do reviews on these products and share my experience with you. Hi, I'm Michelle Holthausen, editor and publisher of Creative Hobbies Magazine and Craft Studio, and today I'd like to talk to you about Pilot's new fiber tip marker range called Pintor. So what makes Pintor unique? It actually allows us to work on multiple surfaces with one marker. You can now work on fabric, leather, wood, plastic, glass, to name but a few. You get a medium and fine tip, and there's a wonderful array of colors to choose from. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to work with the Pintor markers on glass. I chose to make a personalized cheese board. To start off with, find some funky, funny quotes that you like. You can just print them off the internet. You're also going to need a pen to trace, some tracing paper, a white Pintor marker, the medium tip, a sponge roller, and black chalk paint. To start off, let's position our quotes. Once you're happy with your layout, you can start tracing off your design. Once you've completed your tracing, we're going to flip over the glass plate and we're going to color in on the back. Start coloring in your design using the white marker. Note that the white marker doesn't give an opaque finish first off. So do your first coat, leave it to dry completely, and then do a second coat. It also adds a bit of effect if it doesn't color. It kind of gives you that chalkboard effect. I want you to know that you need to shake vigorously and ink your marker before you start. Once you're happy with your design, you need to now bake the glass plate. So switch on your oven to 160 degrees. Once it reaches temperature, start timing it for 50 minutes. Then leave the glass plate in the oven to cool down. Once the oven is cooled down, you can take out your glass plate and we're going to paint the back with black chalk paint. If you like today's project and you want to see us use the Pintor markers on other surfaces, go to Pilot's YouTube channel.